Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Jojo.
And I'm Elijah. Today is January 30th, 2023, and you're watching Mount Tahoma TV.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you see the girls bowling team, congratulate them for receiving the Team Scholastic Award for having a 3.4 GPA.
We also had two young women make the state meet, Haruka Mizusaki and Simone Hetzley. They will be competing this Wednesday, Saturday in Tukwila at Bola Rose for a chance at state title. Simone set a new school record in total pin count of 449, with Haruki right behind her for his second highest score in high school history with the count of 431 pins.
We also had Ray Fox compete really well, missing state by only 3 pins on the last frame. If you see them, give them a good old T-Bird congratulations. They represented us well.
Tolo tickets go on sale this week. Cash sales start Wednesday in the office, and for now, all credit card sales will be through myschoolbucks.com. The link is in your email. Also can be found on the Mount Tahoma website by clicking on the Tolo 2023 picture.
Congratulations to Miss Paige, who is now back after having a baby. Oceana caught up with her to see how she was doing.
Today we have a new addition to the Mount Tahoma family. It's Yenny Paige's new baby. Now let's see what the interview was like with her.
Hi, my name is Miss Paige. My baby's name is Micah. I had him in September right before school started, and he is now 4 months old, and he's growing so fast. He's teething, he loves talking, and he loves playing with his little toys, rolling over. Here's a picture. He's the best. So sometimes if you see a lady walking around the school with a stroller, it's me.
Congratulations, Miss Paige. Now back to the desk.
Aww.
Washington State University will be visiting the Career Center for an admissions presentation on February 9th. If you're interested in learning about what WSU has to offer, come by the Career Center to pick up a pass.
Hey, Elijah, what's your favorite cuss word?
You know what? I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say that on screen, Joe. So I think we should just cut to the video. Let's just go to the
Well, I went out to staff and students to see what they said. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm here with
Mr. Robinson.
And the question of the day is, what is your favorite curse word?
That's a good one. My favorite curse word is probably because it stands for sure happy it's Thursday.
Okay, so I'm here with
Malachi.
And the question of the day is, what is your favorite curse word?
It's going to have to be boy.
Why?
You already know, because I say it all the time.
Okay, so I'm here with
Mr. Case.
And the question is, what is your favorite curse word?
Oh, damn. I don't know.
All right, so I'm here with
Jay?
And the question of the day is, what is your favorite curse word?
Probably like I'll be like, what the man? What the bro? What the you playing with me? What the That's how I be, though. That's how I be, man.
Okay, so I'm here with
Miss Kimber.
And the question today is, what is your favorite curse word?
When I cuss, my favorite cuss word would probably be
Okay, thank you. Working. Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm Jojo.
And I'm Elijah. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.